In this second segment, we'll be looking at a pattern that's more associated with folk music. It's also a little bit more challenging than the first pattern that we looked at. In some instances, we'll be playing a bass note and a treble note simultaneously, so having to use the thumb and the fingers together. The chords that we'll be playing will be an E major, and then adding a 9 to that makes an E add 9. So that adds the second fret on the first string. Then going to an A sus2, and then adding the third back on to make an A major chord, second fret of the second string, and then ending with a B7 chord. So the pattern that we'll be looking at will sound like this. So let's look at the pattern in depth as we start. We'll be hitting with the thumb on the 6th string, open, and then at the same time using the ring finger to hit the 1st string. And as with the other pattern, these first 3 fingers will be assigned to strings. So the ring finger is on the 1st string, middle finger is on the 2nd string, and index fingers on the 3rd string. But the thumb is going to move around a little bit. So we start with that first strike, and then the thumb will go to the 4th string. After that, the middle finger will hit on the 2nd string. The first finger goes to the 3rd string. The ring finger goes to the 1st string. And then the thumb is back on the 4th string again. So altogether that goes. Again, slowly. So that's one pattern of it, and then you just repeat that. So as you get to this 4th string with the thumb, you'll then have the thumb go back to the 6th string, and you'll either change chords or play that same chord again. So slowly, the pattern that I played at the beginning will look like this. So that gets us through 2 patterns, and in our next segment we'll be looking at some more applications and a few different possibilities that we can also get by playing more combinations of strings.
Hi, this is Giles Martin here at Abbey Road Studio 2 talking about Blackbird. Blackbird was recorded for the White Album on Tuesday the 11th of June 1968. In this room here.
So I'll start out with my 3rd finger here on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and with my thumb I'm going to pluck the 6th string. Only waiting for this moment to arrive.
It's a cool thing to play, because when you're playing it, it will, you know, it's that thing you forget that it's actually a song. You think it's a guitar piece.
Take these sunken eyes and learn.